Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining how to create an environment variable and how to access environment variable. Let us look into it. Let us assume that I do have an environment specific shell script which has to run based on the environment where the Kubernetes pods are running. Let us assume that I need to run this particular pod on three different environment, one for the dev, one for the test environment, and for the prod. Based on which environment it runs, I basically wanted this statement to get executed. If it is a dev, I want to have this variable to get replaced as dev. If it is test, then the test has to get replaced over here, and similarly same for the prod. So let me show you how are we going to achieve this by replacing the variable in my YAML file. This is my sample YAML file. Right now I do not have any environment specific specific for in this YAML file. So let me check if I do have any pods already running. Okay, I don't have anything. So I'm going to run this pod. I'm going to show you what is the changes happening before and after adding the environment variable. Create -f exec integrated terminal env config /bin/sh cd. Okay, if you look at my docker file, okay, if you look at my docker file, I have mentioned that env.sh is located in this path. That's why I'm going to this path. So this is the same file what I have shown in the notepad file. When I go and run this now, is going to print this one. Well, the reason is that right now I did not define any environment config for this cluster, that the part that is running now. Let me go and run it. env.sh. You see here this statement, this got executed because I did not define this variable yet in my YAML file. Let me go and create an environment variable now. Open your pod.yaml. So to create the environment variable, you need to follow this one, env : and you have to give the name for your environment variable, env_config. This should match what is defined in your shell script. So you need to be very careful. Value, let's say prod. Okay, now I'm going to delete the existing pod that is already running. It's taking a longer time. The machine is getting slower day by day. I'm creating a pod. Right now the pod is running with the environment variable. Let me go and get executed logged in inside the container. User share. Okay, you see here the variable now replaced to prod environment. So if let me go and modify a different environment now. Go and do exit vi pod.yaml. I'm going to change now this into a different one. Let's say test, because that is what I defined. Basically, like this script works for the three environment. dev, test and prod. So you need to give that value exactly what is given in the shell script. So I'm going to delete the previous pod that is already running. kubectl create okay, clear cd/user share nginx html dot slash. I'm running now. I change the variable to test. I'm running that script to show you what is getting printed. You see here the test is got printed. So basically the behind the scene what it happens, whatever the pod.yaml that you create, if you do the echo statement $env_config, basically what you define that pod.yaml, that is what is going to be your environment variable. This variable you can use to any of the script or any property file, any file that you are going to use inside this pod. You can use this environment variable. Literally you can go and see env, you can see here. So that is the beauty of the pod, the multiple containers sharing the same pod, which can access all these environment variable for those container. I hope you understand how to create environment variable inside the YAML file, and then how to access your environment variable for the different files hosted in the same container. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.